Enrile, Cagayan is a hidden gem in the Philippines that's worth exploring beyond its title as the peanut capital of the Philippines. This agricultural town is nestled in the southernmost part of Cagayan and boasts as a unique blend of natural attractions and cultural experiences. Visitors can explore the lush farmlands and vast agricultural areas where peanuts, rice, corn, tobacco, and vegetables are grown. The town's scenic landscape is also dotted with hills and mountains, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside.
Anteran kang Enrile, tuklasin ang kwento't aliw. Tradisyon, tanawin, puso't sigla, sa Cagayan kami ang
What makes Enrile a different kind of spot for tourists is its authentic rural charm and warm hospitality. Unlike bustling cities, Enrile offers a tranquil atmosphere where visitors can unwind and connect with nature. The town's peanut industry is also a major draw, with visitors able to learn about the peanut production process and even participate in harvest festivals. For adventure seekers, Enrile offers opportunities for hiking and exploring the nearby Cagayan River. With its history, stunning natural beauty, and warm locals, Enrile is an off-beaten path destination that's sure to leave lasting impressions on visitors. Are you ready? What are you waiting for? Anteran kang Enrile!
Antera ka Enrile!
Antera kang Enrile.
Antera kang Enrile!
Antera kang Enrile!
Boom boom clap, boom boom clap. Tara na, anteran kang Enrile. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Saan ang saya at ganda? Dito yan sa Enrile, tara. Masarap na food, tradisyon ay buhay. Makulay ang tanawin, sobrang wagas ng buhay. Likas na yaman, puso ng bayan.